Today I'm going to show you guys how to create this beautiful tumbler using my double diamond template. This is a fun one that turns out so pretty, so let's get started. We are using a 24-ounce plump today from the Tipsy Magnolia. I have already cut out my vinyl wrap in the preferred vinyl, and then I am taking my Cami Page Boutique Ultimate Tumbler tool and using the vertical line maker, making a line down the side of my tumbler with a water-based marker. Then I just line up the template with that straight line, and before I tack it all the way down, I always wrap it around with the backing still on, just making sure the lines and pattern match up. If they do, then I just remove a little bit of that backing, maybe an inch or so at a time, and then I just firmly push it on using my hand and just pushing right there in that crease. The backing will automatically kind of just fold on itself and come off. Once you have your template almost all the way applied, you're going to stop and remove the transfer tape from the beginning of the template. This is just so you don't place the pattern right on top of that transfer tape, or it gets really tricky to remove. Once you have a couple inches of that removed, just go back and finish applying the rest of your template. I just continue by pushing right in that crease, and then when I have about an inch or two left on the template, I just remove all of the backing and then just firmly line that up and press the rest of it down. Now, I know our patterns just magically changed right there, but I lost my first video. I think I may have deleted it on accident and couldn't find it, so I just took an older video of me applying a wrap. So once your wrap is completely applied, remove all of that transfer tape, and then we are going to take some, I just like to use like pointy tweezers and remove the first parts of the template that we are going to glitter. The first color we are going to use is a cactus blossom, and it is a little bit transparent, which means you can see through it. So we are going to add a base coat of pink paint in those sections first. Once those sections have dried, I am then going to add to that same pink paint some Mod Podge or glitter glue, and then paint over the top, and then take our cactus blossom and sprinkle it on that paint and glue mixture while it is still wet. Now we are going to remove the next sections of our template. I chose these V shapes at the top and bottom, and then I also did both of the diamonds in this color as well, and I chose one of my newly released colors called Pineapple. It is such a gorgeous yellow, and once again it is a little bit translucent, not as much as the cactus blossom, but I really want a really good solid base, so I'm going to take a yellow and base paint all my sections first, and then once those are dry, I will add the glue to my paint and take the paint and glue mixture, going back over those sections and then applying my glitter. There are two thinner sections around each diamond, and I'm going to remove both of those. And then I chose to paint them kind of a brighter pink. I didn't want to take away from the beautiful floral, but I wanted a little pop of color, so I used the color Valentine, which is a beautiful mix of like a bright pink with kind of a little bit of a purple shift, and I just felt like it was absolutely perfect for this design. So we base painted that and then went back over with our paint and glue mixture, and then we applied the Valentine glitter while that glitter glue and paint mixture was still wet. I added the Valentine glitter to the smaller sections by the V shapes as well. Now for the bottom, you are just going to base coat it in the color of your choice. I just usually pick one of the 3 glitter colors that we used on the template. I really liked that pop of color with the Valentine, so I base coated my bottom with the pink and then took my glitter glue and paint mixture, applied that over the top, and then covered the bottom with that beautiful Valentine glitter. Once all of your glitter is applied, let that dry completely and then spray seal your tumbler. I like Rust-Oleum or Krylon's triple thick, and I usually concentrate on the glitter sections, doing about 2 pretty fairly heavy coats. Once that spray sealer is dry, you are going to epoxy your tumbler. Once your epoxy has cured, you're going to cut out some thin strips of coordinating vinyl on your cutting machine. I went with this opal kind of pink purple shift. I thought it would be perfect for this tumbler. And then we are going to apply these stripes. I just outline every single section of glitter. And then one of my very favorite things to do with striping out a tumbler is adding a little bit here and there, so you don't just have to follow the glitter sections. You can get creative with this part and add more, and it will just give your tumbler a visual interest. Once you have all of your vinyl striping placed where you would like it, add epoxy to your tumbler until smooth. And here is our tumbler all finished. I just love that added extra striping. It brings a touch of elegance to this design. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe.